Welcome back. Now we are going to do the second subsection of the second numerical in the sixth exercise of pair of linear equations in two variables. Question is, formulate the following problem as a pair of equation and hence find the solution. So you have to get in the pair of linear equations and then you have to find the solution. Two women and five men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while three women and six men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also the time taken by one man alone. So first we'll try to identify how much of work they can do in 1 day. Then we can find out how long it will take them to finish the work. So how much of work they can do in 1 day. So we'll say let work done by woman in 1 day is W. So in 1 day she does W amount of work, and man for man in 1 day, and man in 1 day. He is doing M amount of work. So woman is doing W amount of work in 1 day and man is doing M amount of work in 1 day. Now they're telling us they will take 4 days to complete the work. Two women plus five men. So two women plus five men will take 4 days to complete the work. But this is work done in 1 day. So one work they are taking 4 days. How much of work is done in 1 day then? Because we are doing it in 1 day. So how much of work is done in 1 day? Cross multiply. So in 1 day, how much of work? 1/4 of work they are doing. So in 1 day, it will become 1/4. This is the amount of work that is taking place in 1 day. Take the 4 on top. 2 into 4, 8W. 4 into 5, 20M is equal to 1. This is my first equation. 8W plus 20M is equal to 1. Second case, 3 women plus 6 men. How much? Now they're doing one work. I'll change the ink. One work in 3 days. They're taking 3 days. So how much of work is done in 1 day? In 1 day, it is 1/3. So in 1 day, this gang can do 1/3. So a set of two women and five men in 1 day, they can do 1/4 of the work. And three women plus six men in 1 day, they can do 1/3 of the work. Take the 3 on top. 3 into 3, 9W plus 18M is equal to 1. These are my two equations. 8W plus 20M is equal to 1 and 9W plus 18M is equal to 1. I'll call this equation 2. These are my two equations. Now I need to simplify these two equations. So here 8 and 9 is there. So coefficient of second equation multiply with first equation. Coefficient of first equation multiply with second equation. So all I have to do is multiply equation 1 with 9 and equation 2 with minus 8 because I want to subtract them. So minus 8. So 9 into 8. 9 eights are 72W plus 9 into 20. 9 twos are 18. So 180M is equal to 9. Then 9 into 9. Sorry, next 8 into 9 minus 72W plus, sorry, minus 8 into 18. 8 eights are 64. So it's 4. Carry over 6. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 6, 14. So minus 144 is equal to minus 8. So I'll add these two. Now if I add these two, 72, 72 gone. 180 minus 144 is 36. So 36M is equal to 9 minus 8 is 1. M is equal to 1/36. So in 1 day, man can do 1/36 amount of work. 1 day, he can do only 1/36 work. So how many days will he take to do one work? So how many days will he take to do that one work? Cross multiply. Days taken to do one work. So if I cross multiply, number of days taken to do one work. Cross multiply. You will get, this will go on top. 1 by 1 by 36. It will become 36 days. Number of days taken to do one work will be 36 days, because in one day he can do only 1 by 36 of the work. So how many days he needs to finish full? 36 days he needs to finish full. Now I can substitute that in any one equation, either 2 or in 1. Any one equation you can substitute. Let's say I substitute in equation 2. So substitute in 2. If I substitute into, I'll get 9W plus 18 into 1 by 36 is equal to 1. So 18 ones are 18 twos are. 9W plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. Take 1 by 2 on the other side. 9W is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. Or 9W is equal to 1 minus half is half. So half. Bring 9 down. W is equal to 1 by 18. So woman can do 1 by 18 of the work in one day. So in one day, how much she can do? 1 by 18th of work. But I need the full work to be completed. So for one work, how many days? Cross multiply. So number of days to do one work will be 18 days. So she will take 18 days, because in one day she can do only 1 by 18th. So full work to be completed means she needs 18 days to complete that work. Very simple. So first we start with, let work done by woman in one day be W and man in one day be M. So together in one day, how much of work they can do? 1 by 4th, because they're taking 4 days to complete the work. 1 by 4th in one day. Similarly, 3 women plus 6 men can do 1/3 of the work in one day. You got the two equations. If you want, you can take the 4 on top. Without that also, you can solve. I took the 4 on top, so I got 8W plus 20M and 9W plus 18M. Now here's 8 and 9, so I multiply the first equation with 9 and second equation with minus 8. 72 gets cancelled. 9 into 20 is 180, and minus 8 into 18 is minus 144. So 144 and 180 is 36. So 36M is equal to 1, or M is equal to 1 by 36. This is very important. Be careful here. It's a work done in one day. So in one day, they can do 1 by 36 of work. So how many days they will take to complete the full work? They will take 36 days to complete the full work. So to work, number of days taken to do the work is 36 days. Now substitute 1 by 36 in any one equation. I substitute in equation 2. 18 ones are 18 twos are. So I got half. Take half, that side 1 minus half is again half. So W will be 1 by 18. The number of days required for the woman to complete the work is 18 days. So for man, it is 36 days, and for woman, it is 18 days.